Good morning. All right, so you've made it through all your math morning works, and it's time to check your assessment. The first one, Brad's scooter uses 1/4 a gallon of fuel each mile. If Brad drives 2 miles, how much fuel does he use? All right, so for each mile, he uses 1/4 a gallon, and he's going 2 miles. Remember, with multiplying fractions by a whole number, you put the whole number over 1 and just multiply across. 1 times 2 is 2, 4 times 1 is 4, and that simplifies to 1/2, and that's 1/2 of a gallon. All right, number 2, Miranda has 19 pieces of candy. She wants to give an equal number of pieces to her 6 friends. How many pieces of candy will each friend get? Write as a mixed number. Okay, so your total is 19, and she has 6 friends. So you're sharing 19 pieces of candy equally with 6 friends, so that's division. 6 goes into 19 3 times without going over. 3 times 6 is 18, and that's a remainder of 1. So your final answer is 3, and then your remainder becomes your numerator, and your divisor is your denominator. So 3 and 1/6. All right, for number 3, we're just multiplying across. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 5 is 15, and then always check to make sure you can't simplify. And you cannot simplify that, so that is your final answer. Shade the area on the grid to show 2/3 times 5/7. And I got another pen, so I'm ready. So columns, we have 3. So we're going to shade 2 of them. 1 column, 2 columns, okay? With rows, we have 7 going this way. We want to shade 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's how it should look. All right, number 5. Remember PEMDAS. Parentheses first. 12 divided by 2. 6 plus 3 times 3 is 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. So that's your final answer. Number 6. Remember, we're not using long multiplication. You're just writing the number they give you. It's multiplication, so you're going to the right. And then the exponent tells you how many times you're moving the decimal to the right. 1, 2, 3. We have to fill in those spaces with zeros. So your final answer is 8,200. And that is a comma right there, not a decimal. All right, number 7, we're completing the table. You are adding 3 to all these numbers and adding 4 to all these numbers. 36 plus 3 is 39. 36 plus 4 is 40. 37 plus 3 is 40. 37 plus 4 is 41. And you will begin to see the pattern. So 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. And then you're taking this and completing the graph. So remember, this is the X, the horizontal, and this is the Y. So you have to go horizontal first, then vertical. So you're going over to 38, and up to 39, over to 39, up to 40, over to 40, up to 41, over to 41, up to 42, over to 42, up to 43, and over to 43, and up to 44. All right, last two. Number 9. Write 4 and 76 hundredths in standard form. So 4 and always means the decimal. And remember my trick. Write how many places you're going. You're going to the tenths, the hundredths place. And this is 76. So I don't need to add a 0 or anything, because 76 already gets me up to the hundredths place. And then number 10, comparing. You start with comparing your whole numbers first. I have a 5 here, and I have a 0 here. 5 is definitely greater than 0. You would rather have $5 than $0, right? Are you with me? All right. So that is your assessment for the week. I hope you did well and you understood it. I thought this one was pretty straightforward, so I'm sure you guys did a great job. Thanks for checking with me. Bye.